16 and I'm going for a hike with Anna and Andrei. Dimitri is gonna be dropping me off. He's gonna be staying at home to do some schoolwork. It's gonna be my first winter hike, so I'm not sure really what to expect. What?
You're gonna expect some walking, some cold.
I don't know how to dress warm.
I thought you were gonna say I don't know how to walk.
Yeah, for sure it's gonna be lots of walking. We're going on the Hunt Lake hiking trail. We've been meaning to go there in summer.
Oh, you brought skates too, right?
Yeah, we brought skates too just in case we're gonna go skating afterwards our hike. I don't know if we even would have energy after, but that's something that we might be able to do. It's quite a challenging trail, so for sure we're gonna be like huffing and puffing and really exhausted. I brought with me
Puffing and puffing.
oh
I'll
my
huff,
god.
I'll puff
And I'll blow your house.
house.
I brought with me a bottle of water, hot tea, lots of snacks, and a sandwich for lunch. I also brought with me a first aid kit because you never know. Yeah, lots of stuff. So hopefully everything will be okay today and we're gonna have fun. We're here now at Hunt Lake hiking trail. It's so beautiful. I have an extra scarf, an extra toque, extra everything. This is what I'm wearing right now. I have extra headwear, extra scarf.
She's prepared.
I was scared to be cold.
Overnight.
Hi! And Andrei is still behind us. I gotta get going ahead of them because I have shorter strides. They always have to wait for me. Yep, there it says Hunt Lake. Look at the snow. I'm wearing this winter shoes, winter boots. Ooh, so beautiful. Ah. Yeah, you really need like winter boots here. This is the trail where we're going, and it's about return distance of 12.6 kilometers and allows 6 hours. Let's see how long we can go. We're just at the beginning of the trail, and it looks really beautiful. Ooh. Okay. That's a lake.
Watch Brock.
Looks beautiful.
Monique, say hi.
Hi. My bum's gonna be cold. Are we gonna go up here later?
We'll fly. How is your bum doing?
It's good.
Anna. Anna is coming too.
Oh my
Look
God.
at her. Anna, on your bum. She's too straight up.
It has to be your bum, Anna.
Bum is soft.
That was too much. That was too much.
You need to make it from up.
Oh my God. Looks so pretty. Oh. It's so warm now that we've been walking for a while, so I had to let go of my outer jacket layer, and Andrei's now carrying my backpack because now it's too heavy for me. I don't even know why I packed so much extra layers. It's totally not necessary. Dimitri was right. Like, seriously, I didn't listen because I was afraid to be cold, but I chalked this up to my first winter hiking experience. So lesson learned, don't wear too much layers. Pack light. Bring only the essentials.
Bring a good friend.
Yes, exactly. So guys, if anyone out there is single and who's looking for a
guys,
girl, sorry, no girls. So for anyone who's looking for a great partner,
who's looking for a nice pinky,
good husband,
pinky,
Andrei. He will do anything for a friend. So I'm pretty sure if you're married to him, he will do anything for you. Okay, bye now. I'm gonna throw in my jacket at the bottom. My what? Oh, this is actually a good cushion. How are we gonna get up here later? Are you okay, Anna?
I'm just videotaping you guys going down.
Gosh, look at this big tree. Actually, trees. 1, 2, 3, 4 trees. Ah, just got uprooted. Can you see from the back? No.
Come on, Anna. Good job. Don't go into.
Oh my god. We came from there. This is just beautiful. We've been walking for about 4 kilometers, I would say. Not walking, more like stumbling for me. Takes so much more effort. Beautiful. We are finally here. Oh my gosh, we made it. End of 6 kilometers. Look at this cute little shack here. I have to remove all my coat because it was just too... I was just like really hot. Next time I know what to wear for a winter hike. My hair is like all wet too from sweat. I'm gonna flip it. So that was where we came from. This is probably a lake before. This is the end of the trail. And there's a place here where you can go for they're like a campfire. And then you have a little shack in here, which is like so cute. Oh my god, now we can eat. Okay. That's it. Guys, what can you say?
tired. Cheers, yeah.
Thank you to Andrei for carrying my stuff. Oh gosh. We made
here
it.
tonight.
Yeah. We have 6 kilometers to
go.
walk back.
Yeah.
Anna, what are you doing there?
How do you get up? You guys, I can't get up.